Barbagallo X01. Forget the roar of engines and the scent of exhaust fumes. Meet the Barbagallo X01, a velomobile set to revolutionize your commute and your carbon footprint. The Barbagallo X01 brings Italian flair to the world of velomobiles. It's like having your own personal Ferrari, without the hefty price tag, fuel costs, or the need to shout to have a conversation. Plus, it's the perfect opportunity to use that Italian accent you've been practicing, but this time, it's not just for ordering pizza. But the Barbagallo X01 isn't just about looks. It's a true champion for the environment. Powered by a combination of human pedaling and a brushless electric motor, it's like a hybrid car, only this one is actually fun to drive. With a solar panel built into the roof, you're not just reducing your carbon footprint. You're practically erasing it. In a world where transportation often harms the planet, the Barbagallo X01 offers a refreshing change. Jetsurf Yacht E-Skateboard. The Jetsurf Yacht E-Skateboard is perfect for those who love the thrill of speed and elegance. This electric skateboard is powered by a high-torque direct drive motor. It can reach a top speed of 31 miles per hour, making it ideal for adrenaline seekers. But this board isn't just about performance, it's a statement of style. Its deck is crafted from premium carbon fiber with a sleek teak wood finish, giving it a luxurious look and feel. With 3 ride modes, the Jetsurf Yacht adapts to your skill level. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced rider, you can tailor the ride to suit your comfort and control. Priced at $24.90, the Jetsurf Yacht E-Skateboard delivers an unmatched combination of speed, style, and versatility. Nimbus One Mini EV. Meet the Nimbus One, a 3-wheeled electric vehicle designed to transform urban commuting. With its sleek and compact design, it measures just 34 inches wide. This makes it perfect for zipping through traffic and squeezing into tight parking spaces. Despite its small size, the Nimbus One packs serious performance. It has a top speed of 50 miles per hour and accelerates from 0 to 30 miles per hour in just 3 seconds. Commuting has never been this fast or fun. Powered by a 9 kWh battery, the Nimbus One offers an impressive range of up to 93 miles on a single charge. It's efficient, eco-friendly, and practical for city living. Starting at just under $10,000, the Nimbus One is an affordable and innovative solution for modern transportation. Candela C8, Watercraft. The Candela C8 is a revolutionary electric watercraft that redefines boating. What sets it apart is its ability to fly above the water, thanks to cutting-edge hydrofoiling technology. Once the boat reaches about 16 knots, its retractable hydrofoils lift it out of the water. This reduces drag by up to 80%, making the ride smoother, quieter, and more energy efficient. The Candela C8 offers a top speed of 27 knots and an impressive range of 57 nautical miles at a cruising speed of 22 knots. This means you can enjoy extended, thrilling rides without worrying about the battery. With its futuristic design and advanced features, the Candela C8 turns every trip on the water into an unforgettable experience. Electric Motion XR dirt bike. The Electric Motion Escape XR is built for adventure enthusiasts who crave excitement and performance. This electric dirt bike combines cutting-edge battery technology with intense power. With a peak output of 12 kilowatts, the Escape XR can hit top speeds of 53 miles per hour. This makes it one of the most powerful options in its category. What sets this bike apart is its innovative hydraulic diaphragm clutch. It's the first of its kind in electric motorcycles. This feature lets riders control power and traction with precision, making it easier to tackle tough terrain and obstacles. The Escape XR is designed to adapt to all skill levels. It offers multiple riding modes, allowing you to customize your experience whether you're a seasoned rider or just starting out. Priced at $19.99, the Electric Motion Escape XR is a game-changer in the world of electric dirt bikes. ENVO Snow Cart. The ENVO Snow Cart is an exciting way to enhance your winter fun. This electric-powered go-kart on tank treads is built to handle almost any snowy terrain with ease. With continuous rubber tracks and powerful electric motors, the snow cart can conquer deep snow, icy trails, and even steep hills. Its low center of gravity and excellent traction provide a stable and controlled ride, no matter the conditions. At just 100 pounds, the snow cart is much lighter and more compact than a traditional snowmobile. This makes it incredibly agile and easy to maneuver. Its small size also allows it to access areas that larger vehicles can't, opening up new possibilities for exploration. One of the best features of the snow cart is its near-silent operation. The electric motors let you enjoy the serene beauty of nature without the noise of traditional engines. But the snow cart isn't just for recreation. It's also a capable workhorse, with a towing capacity of up to 440 pounds. Whether you need to haul firewood, gear, or even a small sled, the snow cart has you covered. EV4 Mountain Cart E-AWD. The EV4 Mountain Cart is an all-terrain vehicle built for adventure. Designed to handle rugged landscapes, it offers accessibility for riders of all skill levels. This innovative cart features a 4x4 configuration, powered by four 2,500-watt motors. Together, they deliver impressive traction and control on challenging terrains. It can reach speeds of up to 25 miles per hour, making it both powerful and exciting to ride. On a full charge, the mountain cart can cover up to 75 miles, ensuring long adventures without worry. Whether you're navigating rocky trails or exploring open fields, the EV4 Mountain Cart is ready for the challenge. Festo BionicSwift. A marvel of robotic engineering. Meet the Festo BionicSwift, an extraordinary robotic bird that mimics the flight mechanics of real birds. Developed by Festo's Bionic Learning Network, this innovative device showcases the wonders of biomimicry in engineering. The BionicSwift features ultra-lightweight wings made from flexible foam segments. During the upstroke, the wings fan out to allow air to flow through. Then, they close during the downstroke to generate powerful flight. Weighing just 42 grams and with a wingspan of 68 centimeters, this robotic bird can perform agile maneuvers like loops and steep turns. Equipped with radio-based indoor GPS, the BionicSwift can fly autonomously. It moves in a coordinated pattern within a defined airspace, demonstrating impressive precision and control. The BionicSwift is not just a technological feat, it offers a glimpse into the future of autonomous flying robots. Experience cutting-edge technology inspired by nature's design with the Festo BionicSwift. Ligier Pulse 3 E-Trike. The Ligier Pulse 3 E-Trike is a perfect blend of style and practicality. This innovative trike stands out with its unique leaning mechanism. It lets riders lean into turns, making every ride smoother and more exciting. Its compact design and sleek appearance make it ideal for busy urban streets. Maneuvering through traffic is effortless, and parking is a breeze. Designed for modern city life, the Pulse 3 combines functionality with fun. Whether commuting or running errands, this e-trike offers a new way to ride. Splach-Bike Transformer Electric Scooter. Introducing the Splach-Bike Transformer, a unique electric scooter that transforms into a mini-pit bike in seconds. This innovative design makes it perfect for both daily commutes and weekend adventures. The powerful electric motor delivers impressive speed and torque. It's built for those who want excitement without the hassle of pedaling. Whether you're zipping through the city or tackling rugged terrain, the Splach-Bike is ready for action. Its durable frame and robust tires are made to handle tough rides. The eye-catching design ensures you'll turn heads wherever you go. Who said eco-friendly transportation couldn't look this cool? With user-friendly features like intuitive controls and a comfortable seat, this ride is great for everyone, from beginners to seasoned riders. The lightweight design and compact 10x 2.5-inch tires even let you catch some air during your adventures. Powered by a 48 volts 10.2 Ah battery, it offers a range of up to 25 miles on a single charge. The Splach-Bike Transformer combines fun, versatility, and eco-conscious design in one amazing package. YV-Gem EV Lineup. Introducing the YV-Gem EV Lineup, a range of light electric vehicles designed to transform low-speed driving. With 4 models available, the GEM EV lineup is perfect for both personal and commercial use. These vehicles promise a smoother, automotive-like acceleration, along with the convenience of one-pedal driving. Thanks to regenerative braking, you can easily control your speed with just your foot. Comfort is a top priority in the GEM EV lineup. Spacious seats ensure a relaxing ride, and for those seeking added luxury, there's an option for premium upholstery. The new exterior colors offer even more ways to personalize your vehicle, so you can choose a style that reflects your personality. For those looking to extend their range, the GEM EV offers a solar-powered roof option. This innovative feature harnesses the sun's energy to power your vehicle and reduce your carbon footprint. Additionally, the roof rack provides extra space for cargo, making the GEM EV even more practical. Navigating tight city streets is a breeze thanks to the GEM EV's 17% tighter turning radius, ensuring you can maneuver through crowded areas with ease. Astribot S1. The Astribot S1 is a breakthrough in robotics, showcasing advanced AI and human-like movement. It's designed to adapt to various tasks, making it versatile for different applications. Equipped with hyper-precision sensors, the Astribot S1 can handle complex jobs such as object manipulation, real-time decision-making, and safe interaction with humans. This makes it ideal for industries like healthcare, manufacturing, and public services, where it can support and streamline operations. With its sleek, functional design, the Astribot S1 highlights China's growing leadership in robotics. It sets new standards for humanoid robots globally. This robot is poised to play a key role in automation, bringing humanoid robots closer to seamless integration in everyday environments. Varjo Teleport. The Varjo Teleport is a revolutionary technology that brings the real world into virtual reality with incredible ease. Using just your smartphone, you can scan any space. Teleport's advanced algorithms then create a stunning, photorealistic 3D model of that location. This technology has countless uses. Architects and interior designers can visualize projects in virtual reality before building. Businesses can use it for remote collaboration, letting teams explore spaces as if they were physically there. It's also perfect for training simulations, offering immersive and realistic environments for learning. With Varjo Teleport, you can share these 3D recreations with anyone, anywhere in the world. It removes physical barriers and opens new possibilities for creativity and collaboration. The future of virtual experiences starts here, with Varjo Teleport. Bandit 9 Eve Odyssey. The Bandit 9 Eve Odyssey pushes the limits of motorcycle design with its sleek aluminum alloy unibody and custom-built details. This 125cc bike offers an impressive 156 mpg, blending efficiency with style. Its futuristic box frame and single-sided swingarm emphasize a minimalist look, while the custom LED speedometer and aluminum controls add a touch of sophistication. Weighing just 265 pounds, the Eve Odyssey offers smooth handling and a top speed of 68 miles per hour. From the leather or neoprene saddle to the titanium exhaust upgrade, every element of the Eve Odyssey reflects expert craftsmanship. It's more than a bike, it's a high-performance statement piece for lovers of unique engineering. Trekol Arctica. The Trekol Arctica is a cutting-edge Russian all-terrain vehicle built to conquer extreme environments. From Arctic tundras to icy terrains and swamps, this vehicle is designed for both commercial use and challenging expeditions. What sets the Trekol Arctica apart is its amphibious capability. It can travel seamlessly on land and water, making it highly versatile in tough conditions. Its unique soft, ultra-wide tires are a standout feature. These tires reduce ground pressure, allowing safe travel over snow, boggy ground, and other soft surfaces. They are also designed to handle obstacles gently, preventing damage to fragile terrains. Powering the vehicle is a reliable diesel engine. It delivers the torque needed for heavy-duty tasks while maintaining durability in harsh climates. This makes it an ideal choice for extreme environments. In addition to its rugged performance, the Trekol Arctica is built to endure. It is highly resistant to environmental challenges, including extreme cold. With safety and resilience at its core, it's a reliable companion for adventures in some of the toughest conditions on Earth. Enautic WaveFlyer Volare. Introducing the Enautic WaveFlyer Volare, a groundbreaking electric hydrofoil crafted by the Australian company, Enautic. This watercraft redefines what it means to ride the waves, offering a unique blend of sleek design, eco-friendly performance, and innovative technology. At the heart of the WaveFlyer Volare is its wave drive platform, which provides a smooth and quiet ride. Whether you're cruising leisurely or commuting on water, this platform ensures both comfort and sustainability. With a range of 100 kilometers and a top speed of 20 knots, the Volare is versatile enough for short trips or longer adventures. Its advanced safety features and intuitive controls make it suitable for everyone, regardless of skill level. The thrill doesn't stop there. The WaveFlyer Volare has a foiling height of 1 meter, allowing you to glide above the water, adding an exciting new dimension to your experience. When retracted, its draft is just 0.25 meters, making it perfect for navigating shallow waters as well. Charging the Volare takes only 40 minutes, and with an impressive 4-hour endurance, you can enjoy extended time on the water without worrying about frequent stops. For the eco-conscious boating enthusiast, the Enautic WaveFlyer Volare is a perfect match, combining agility, comfort, and sustainability into one efficient package.